Do you have any other Python packages that you're really excited about that we need to know about?
Yeah, this is not going to be like a secret or anything, but at the moment, my latest obsession is the Transformers package from Hugging Face. So
Mm,
I spent a big chunk of my career in NLP.
mhm,
So obviously, a big favorite of mine is GenSim, and we used to use GenSim pretty intensively when I was working in 2 jobs ago. We did
mhm,
like a huge amount of natural language processing work. For those of you who don't know GenSim, it's probably the most mature and well established package for creating word embeddings. So, like Word to Vec, Glove, those sort of models.
mhm, mhm,
But Transformers is the package to implement a lot of the latest generation stuff.
mhm.
Um, the docs are amazing. They have these incredible videos just explaining everything really simply. So it takes something that I think is potentially very intimidating, very a bit scary for people to try, breaks down exactly what they're doing, and then packages it up in this beautiful, easy to use API, great tutorials. So, yeah, I've been having fun using some BERT models in order to do classification lately. And
Nice.
man, I built this clickbait classifier. I got 99% accuracy straight out of the box.
Oh,
Like
wow.
it was so good. It was super easy. I just adapted a tutorial. I was like, this is rewarding.
Cool. Yeah, and we have had, the CEO of Hugging Face, Clem DeLong, on the show. So that was in episode number 564. So you can hear more about Hugging Face, although
Mhm.
it isn't like, he's the CEO of the company, not a technical person. So it's not like we went into even the level of detail that you just went into
Oh,
around
for sure.
building a classifier with the BERT architecture. Super cool. So I imagine that's going to be something that's kind of available as a learning resource from you in the future. Like you're going to be presenting on it at a conference or something.
I actually just presented on it at a conference.
Oh, nice.
Sorry. So yeah, basically my conference presentation was at PyCon Portugal, and there's also
Hmm.
some associated notebooks. So if you are curious about it, you can check my Twitter. I actually posted it relatively recently, and yeah, you can access all the notebooks on GitHub.